Or,
They see you.
yeah, so. Why don't you stay on and you do center and you let Bill come out? Cool? Huh? Or Varcos. Get another stage up. Yeah. Whew. Got some chapped lips. You guys win your first game? You guys win your first game?
Oh, is this going on YouTube?
I don't know.
Yeah, YouTube. That's what I'm talking about.
Give a shout out.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
How are we doing this with the lefty?
NHL. 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Good?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, down. There's my kick. Oh, no, the face-off kick.
Oh, it bounced out. Hey, change for me.
You alright, man?
Yeah, just those.
Delete that from the camera.
I mean, I got kicked out. It wasn't my fault.
I heard the kids that we just beat in there talking. And they were talking about all our goals. They're like, these are goals from distance, guys. We got to get in low.
I don't care who it is.
Woo!
Yeah.
Hey now!
Just shoot the puck, guys.
See? There you go, guys. Shoot the puck, get your rebounds. But don't get caught.
Move it, Sven! Sven, you could have skated that, dude.
Yeah, you got to skate.
They're giving it to you. They're giving us a lot more room than the other team.
Yeah, and it seems like this is a little bit more clear now.
Good playing, Sven. Hey, skate that up if you got the room, you know? Passes aren't going well.
Good luck, Bill.
You got next change?
You're out next. Just play it like an open out next, all right?
Yeah, that's what I've been doing. I wasn't sure who came off first.
Yo, defense! Yo, defense! Yeah, that was in.
Nice shot, man.
We gotta stay.
Come on, guys, please. Skate it, Bill. Coming. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Fucking skate. Let's win this. Yeah, nice play. Shit!
You coming, Coleman?
Yeah. It's,
Let me get off.
all right, Joe.
You score?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, Joe.
Hey, boys. 2 back defense. 2 back. Two back defense. All right, guys. 2 back. If you're pinching in, I'll try to cover. If no one's covering, the other guy deep has to call for it.
I'll be more than happy to stay back this next shift. I kind of got caught up and I didn't want to like stay.
Back door, back door.
I know it's like cliche, but mistake-free in this shit. Play strong defense, we'll bail and nail 3 or 4 goals. You know, it just happens. There you go, Johnny.
There you go, Johnny.
Boom! Nice, Johnny. Move you up. You got to change? I got him. Oh. No, I don't.
Watch out.
Hey, change. Fuck. What's the score?
3-2, I think.
Hey, ref, what's the score?
4-3.
I missed 2 wide open. I missed 2 wide open ones. Oh, jeez. We gotta shoot and get to loose pucks. Johnny, come on, dude. Get off the ice if you're tired. Coleman, step up. Nice play. Skate it, Bill. Skate it.
Still there?
Nice hustle, Johnny.
You guys got 2 minutes.
That's still half, right?
Still half, yeah. There you go.
Nice. Nice play, Coleman.
Put end of the stick, I'll figure it out.
No, I'll play back. It's like we're skating in sand. Hustle, boys. For real. We out hustle and we win.
Yeah, I know. Keep our feet moving. We're great. Playing a little bit. Just like even a little bit of my leg, and they're like, I take it back.
Yeah, Coleman, you're playing wrong, so.
You're fucking on point. You're on point. No, you're on point. Watch him, he's a shooter.
Hey, boys, come in. Come in. All right. All right, we're up by 1.
I think we're tied.
Hey, ref, is it 5-4? This team? 5-4, we're up by 1.
You gotta pressure the point shooter.
2 men back.
Yeah.
2 men back. Okay?
They got 4, so it has to be right on the guy in the front. Yeah, they're rifling shots and making them in.
You gotta be right on him.
And
2 men back.
And when that guy sends it,
2 men back is right.
you gotta come back to the net because there's a guy breaking
Let
on.
only one guy play the top. Who's got to? If they put 2 guys back that pass back and forth, you got to press them both.
And how many goals do we get when we just shoot from long?
And get
We just get there and we just shove it in.
a
I'm
little
like,
quicker than them. We can get the rebound.
You just got to keep our feet moving. Keep our feet moving. Stay
Hustle.
back. I thought you hit the goal in one.
huh?
First shot. It looked like it went in.
I
I don't know if it went through or went up.
I don't know what happened.
Those little guys.
I jammed it again. I thought it went in too the first shot. We got documentation.
Yeah, I know, right?
You know, GoPro?
When we get a break, this period changed. Like,
Yeah.
we fuck there. 'Cause
Fucking-
we get caught long.
Guys,
on the couple.
hustle. If we just hustle this team, we're going to 2-0 feeling real good about shit. I don't want to lose this game.
2-2 is nothing much security is playing.
You got to show off these Golden Boys. Come on.
Woo!
Take the pressure off the third.
The Bombers. The
Yo,
Bombers.
Joe,
elite
you make
contingent.
some mo.
You kill
We
the
know
Joe,
you
you
got
make
shit
some
in
mo.
your
You know
head.
this,
All right, boys. Hey, they're good.
This ain't new.
2 defense, long shots. If you're open, shoot the fucking puck. Even from
All day. All day.
Bill, even from the defensive zone, man. If no one's on you, fucking shoot the puck the whole way down.
I'm trying to get it down.
Just aim for the black.
All I'm doing is trying to aim it right down in front of the net, because you know what? Even if it doesn't go in, like you said, it stops dead from that void.
Yeah.
And all you gotta do is be right
And
there.
substanding the boards. I mean, it's a pain in the ass to haul the whole way. Hey, what line are we going out with? You 3?
No, I'll go. I'll stop. Why don't we start out with the first one that went out? Not start.
Yeah.
Coleman, me, and
Whenever you guys are good, you guys. We're good.
feels grossly close to your end. I'm just gonna do your thing.
Alright, good.
I'm good. Ready? 1, 1, 2, 3. I got you, Valquez. Here you go, here you go.
Let's play McNaught.
Shoot. Nice play out there, Coleman.
Fucking the Anaheim Jugsters is on my fucking play. Coming over the top like he's got something to prove here. I don't like it. Whoa.
Oh,
Bad change.
bad change. It was right
It was
there.
right there.
You were tired. We were just. Yeah, you're fine, man. It's really, the puck is always biased because it's so short.
There you go, Bill. Feet.
There you go, Johnny. Push it up. There you go, Johnny. Down low. There you go. Nice play. Get on it. Get on it. There you go, Johnny. Hustling. Look at that. You almost gave up on that. Nice play.
We're not quit.
Hey, boys, 2 back. Strong push.
D, strong D.
Good.
There you go, Bill. Way to have presence there.
Yeah, Bill's, you and Bill are fucking staples right now.
I love
Bartes, you're fucking killing it in the offensive zone. I love it. Oh, Johnny!
Johnny,
Slick!
hat trick.
Slick moves, baby. Hey. Hurry, Coleman.
Gotta get one off.
Five minutes. Hey, heads up. Skate it first. Hey! Nice pass. Woo! How you doing? Tired. I'm Brian.
Dude, I'm plus like 7 on assists right now.
That offensive
That's all I've been doing.
sucks.
No, you score it. No, seriously,
Gotta take the wind out of it.
Oh, come on.
Nice play, Johnny. Johnny's starting to put it together real well.
Give the play-by-play.
That was.
Bill with the puck. Bill gets it in. Bombers goal. Lots. I don't remember how many they scored. Not trying to be a dick. Just honestly don't remember. John Scanlon carrying up boards, going up board side, coming on strong, pulls back, whiffs like Crosby. I had to.
If you look at goal difference right now, I think we're doing all right. We're at the top.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I know.
There you go, Johnny. 1-1-1. Skate it. All right, Joe.
Joe,
turn
skate
and burn.
up.
Joe, turn and burn.
Bill's been playing well.
Oh, bad dump. Come on, Joe.
Oh, Joe.
Oh, Joey. Yeah, 2D, 2D. Big tree fall hard. Come on, Joe. Eyes up, Joe. No, he looks really cool. Oh, Johnny, watch the hat. Come on,
Two.
Joe cool.
How much time?
2 minutes. I go.
I got. I was in, right? That long one going in for me?
I don't know.
Hey,
We
we
got
got
the
go.
outside of the top.
I thought we went in.
I don't care. We got it. It still counts.
Hey, nice game, man.
Jesus Christ, good game. You guys play this better than this like kids, the little teens. Jesus.
You too, bro.
Yeah, we put a full bomber suit out.
2-0, boys. Hey,
Is this what it's supposed to feel like? I don't understand this feeling. This is strange to me.
Cool. 2 wins in a row. Actually playing well.
hey, Joe, can you crush me so we have battery?